My people, no be small thing, no. They say the federalization and the Islamization of Ndigbo don't finally start. It don't start for Enugu, for a place where they call Nsukka. It don't start for Ebonyi State. It don't start for Imo State, or Lolo to be precisely. Anambra own never get the full update and Aba. So this is what is happening in Igbo land as we speak right now. The radical Islamization aside Dokubo and in school have started their agenda, and our people are falling for this particular thing. I made a video last time showing you a group of people. They are large in number, Igbos, practicing Islam in Igbo land. So I'm going to play the video for you to watch. In other hand, they say Mazi, Nnamdi and Lolo, Nneka, Chimezie clash. I get statement where the Nneka Chimezie make say Mazi Nnamdi no give order from inside prison. Say he no go gree, he go counter anything we into, and come see the response of Mazi Nnamdi supporters for this particular issue. I go play the video, may you watch before we come back and continue. But before we go watch the video, I want to tell Igbo people this thing. Why are Igbos always falling for anybody that come outside speaking, yes, you are fighting Igbo, I will fight you, you are doing Igbo this, I will do you, or they choose to talk on behalf of someone you love. You people will follow the person, then the next thing the person will change. And most of you people will sit down there to write, to comment, and to talk nonsense. So that is what we call emotional blackmail. They know who you are and they know how to get you. They get you and they use you against your own people. Let us watch this video before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Mala Mukhtar, biko ya tukuma zuja. Baba Alaji ya tukuma ya tukuma. Aha, mashallah. Ungwanu kidomo kwa obelu. Biko ono na azu no kidomo kwa biko nem pio kwa so na mmezu salai. On pio kwa so na mmezu salai biko. Nu kidomo kwa. No kwa shiru wana boga, guna ezele neze. Agba kishile mad no kwa shiru wana boga ezele neze. Ekwele ke kwensu bata na titi anyi ekwensu bata bu na ina agba kishima na bogi choke tinya biru ebi na kwa nke be kwa mere kwa nke be kochi anu ge mu ho bu biko now Allahu akbar Allahu akbar Allahu akbar Allahu akbar Allahu akbar الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Any to also blow potential outside again without his members in may attack. Ochi Joshi had to go one. Jendo to Habankata to Pushu Febenapota. No woku, Emmanuel Kanu quota. Talon Takale Quechi, a lawyer to Michael Coman Nechi, of a woman one nechi, Maxwell, onion cake, would just lie on your shape and writing son apota, you won't do no washi, you won't do the iPop. For me, in here, Mazi Nnamdi leader, indigenous people of Biafra. Onion Ndo to Nakom Lolo. Nakom Onisi Hakambo. Alright? So, Ndin can I come on in to Gaha window to Gaha. You know, so I can get respect as a very big leader. You are a great man, no doubt. I'm more than promoting Ghana my pages. And what do you promote to the Camus? And do you know about what? And what do you promote to the promote to Mazi Nnamdi Nneka? And what is taking my neck? I'm not on Nneka. The guy and I call on me for one year or and then an interview. And a position of 1 million or 1 year to I come government on them come risk. and I have no regrets. But I am going to get it because if you want to name are exposed to danger, name are exposed to danger. Enough, and we are saying enough is enough, and we are saying no more. All na you get a memory with your group or iPod. You get you what I go, man, so long as saying there, in you know, they are Macanian and Tota Biafra. And then when they have to be doing her from the scratch, because
Lolo Nneka, just your face be like, condemn scrap. Your face be like, your face be like monkey wey be say he don't bomb. But you will be old mama. You not go enter house, go relax, go take care of your children. Now Mazi can be your problem. And they see all the nonsense way they talk against Mazi Nnamdi. Mazi Nnamdi na your mates. If not be say because say how corrupt Nigeria dey, you go get man to follow that man talk. Do you know what is a great man? Do you know what is greatness? Do you know who is a hero? Do you know what is legend? This is a freedom fighter who stood by the people. Not like you. Say you be self. See your face. Like monkey. Mumu. A fool at 40. Just you be. They come and they turn nonsense against Mazi Nnamdi. You get shame at all. See your nose. See your face. Where don't shireen finish. See your hair. Say you be. Now Mazi Nnamdi be your problem. How dare you talk to Mazi Nnamdi like that? You know, before they see your video, they see all your video. I don't want to give you that attention where you deserve. May not be like because you are not worth it. Mazi Nnamdi, how dare you to talk to Mazi Nnamdi like that? Because Mazi Nnamdi they Sokoto. They want yourself. If not say Mazi love him, and the way they pay himself, you are even an Igbo person. They don't pay you. Mugu. Go inside, go relax, grandmama. That's how you be.
No, na Mazi Nnamdi na go when you go man the impossible. Na federal government gile ya na azo Biafra. Bakpawro aka tonga nka. Ge se ga no dia na enye instruction. Ya wo na what the Biafra ke na do.
Let me play it again.
No, na Mazi Nnamdi na go when you go man the impossible. Na federal government gile ya na azo Biafra. Bakpawro aka tonga nka. Ge se ga no dia na enye instruction. Ya wo na what the Biafra ke na do.
My people, family. Did you hear what I just heard? No. Did you just hear what I heard? This is abomination. Oh. This woman just said that Nnamdi Kanu cannot be in Sokoto prison and give instruction. If he will tell himself the truth, he can't do that because he has been arrested by the federal government. Did you hear what I just heard from her? This woman? No, madam, please, come and give instruction. Come and give instruction now. Since Kanu will not give instruction, who will give instruction? Who will we listen to? No, who will listen to you? No problem. Ngwano, start. Organize meeting. Tell us where we will come to. Organize meeting. Unite Ndigbo together. Unite Ndigbo together with a voice. Start it today. Forget about Nnamdi Kanu now. Forget about him. You start it. Nothing stop you. You have mouth. You have camera, and you have a voice. You're making sense. Start today. Nothing stops you because this Biafra everything. Kanu said it clearly that he is only doing it because of opportunity. Because people are not doing it. He's just filling a gap. That is Kanu's voice. So you are right, but please, can you just start it? I don't know. I can't even know your name. I don't know your name. Maybe someone can point in the comment section what this woman's name is. But I remember that this is the woman that made Kanu to stop people from doing content when they come to visit him. I think she created the controversy after a visit to Sokoto. This same woman. I don't know if that's why she's angry. But you have the temerity to tell Kanu that if Kanu will tell himself the truth, or take nanga, imano nanga, instruction. You can't do. Who are you in the scheme of things to talk to somebody who is well regarded like this? A man who is moving the world on the plight of Biafra. A man who was mentioned in American Senate. A man who was mentioned in Senate hearing, Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu. A man who, because of him, Nigeria is standing tall still today because of Igbo's plight. A man who stopped Fulani terrorists in our bushes southeast. A man who millions stand still when he talks. And people are ready to follow his voice anytime he gives order. A man who has, followership around the world. All the countries of Europe, America, he has followership. Mazi and Kanu. A man who left his family to come and pay sacrifice for us. A man whose parents are dead because of this struggle. A man who lost his friends because of this struggle on Python Dance. Is this the man you are telling, Nnamdi Kanu, that's rude. That's rude. And I still beg you. You have the floor now. Come and start off this Biafra. Come and lead us. We are looking for leader now. We are looking for leader. Oh, you don't know? No. Maybe you want to do a takeover, a coup. Go ahead. Let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people who will be loyal to you and your beliefs, your ideology. Come out with your ideology. Start off your group. Start off your own organization. Call it a name. Because we need Biafra. All we want is a save. To be saved as Ndigbo. Come and do it better. Show us the better way. Kanu will not stay in prison and lead. No problem. I'm not arguing with you. You that is not inside prison, what stop you from leading? You could drop her name in comment section for me, please. This is a threat. Really. Sounds like a threat. What kind of rudeness? Some people just open camera and talk very rude. Disrespect. The disrespect is so alarming. That's why we cannot go far. Because of people like this. People who have sold themselves, claim to be fighting for us. But all they do is to go and, confuse the whole system. I won't be surprised if this is among the saboteurs we're looking for. You can't stay in prison and be given order. That's what you are saying. You don't even have shame. No fear. No respect. Can you say this to his face? When you went to Sokoto State, you went to Sokoto prison, if I'm not mistaken. You should have told Kanu to his face like this. You have been going to court. He has been in DSS dungeon since all these years. You should have told him to his face like this. I saw a video of you snapping video with him in the court. I have that video with me. Maybe I'll play it here. Maybe that's it. You are doing a video with Kanu in the court. You went there. You should have told him in the court, Oga, you cannot lead from prison. He has been in prison since, not today. Oh, you woke up today now and you have remembered. No, but now they can't go with you. You know, federal government wins. Federal government are taking a prison. A man on a prison, he lead the Biafra. You can't stay in the prison and lead Biafra. And give instruction. Madam, I give you challenge. I give you challenge as I end this video. Please, go and start leading. Go and start giving instructions. We are going to follow you. If you start up, I promise you that I will use my platform to promote you, to promote your ideology, to promote what you believe in. You give instructions. We are ready to follow you since you are now the leader, or you know better. You know better. Point us the way. Let us follow. All we want from you is simple. Direct us to the place where our land will be free from terrorists. Start from there. Start from uniting Ndigbo, protecting our eastern state first of all. Start from there. Then you can also give order for that. Then give order also for our youths to be employed. Give order also for our land to be liberated. And give order for the emancipation of Biafra when it will come. Start it now. It's not late. What is stopping you? Not by making noise up and down. Not by insulting and being rude to people who have led the way without problem. This is my word to you. You are free to be a leader. You are free to give instruction. Start it today. Please, we are waiting for your instruction. Go ahead and give us instructions. We are waiting for you, madam. Go ahead and give us instruction. Please, I want to see your wonderful comments about this matter. This is very disrespectful. Personally, I think so. But no problem. Since she can do it better, we are waiting for her. She will lead the way. While Biafrans, we are ready to follow. All we want is our Biafra. Abi? No problem. Lead the way. We are following you. We are following you, madam. We are ready to follow you. Don't waste our time, please. Go ahead. Go ahead. We are waiting for you. 24 hours I give you to start. If under 24 hours you are not ready to say anything to direct our path in this course, shut up your dirty mouth and never repeat that word again in your life. Go and wash your mouth, cleanse your face, and go and pray to God for forgiveness. Because you committed abomination by saying that word. But I pray you will live up to the expectations to lead us. We are waiting for you. Time is ticking. Lead us. Show us the way. Direct us. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, let the bell that says all to get notified whenever we release a video. I've been your host, Chimezie. Thank you for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.
It's a time to activate a strong media team for this Biafra struggle. Not anybody will come aside with in propaganda and nonsense and go scot-free. If you want to be part of this strong team, join my Telegram group. Ask me how to join it. Enough of this nonsense. This one will come aside, will say, Igbo this one, Igbo this one. This one will come aside, Nnamdi carry this one, Nnamdi carry this one. This one will come aside, IPOB this one, IPOB this one, IPOB this one. Ask them, what are they doing to serve Igbo? Nothing. Because of their selfish interests, what they have encountered one problem or the other with the members of IPOB and they take it personal. You see them backing around, Igbo. Look at Islamization agenda. We tell me country that Islam entered that is peaceful today. No. Check out the whole Muslim country. There's no peaceful there. No peace at all. And this is what people want to bring in Igbo. This is all your agenda. If you want to stop Nnamdi, there's no other way you can talk and they will hear you is to join Islam to destroy Igbo. Guys, join that group. We are going to start a media battle very, very soon.